In this video, I'll be explaining exactly how you can make money on Glamour. So make sure you stick to the end of the video and make sure you don't skip through the video so that you can get the full information I have for you in this video. Now, welcome to this video. On Glamour, I've made over 1 million naira, and basically this shows that I know the platform like the back of my hand. So in this video, I'll be showing you exactly how you can make money through performing simple jobs on Glamour. Now let's go straight into the video without wasting much of your time. I literally went from earning 15k on a monthly salary to making over 10 million naira. And here are some of my students that have actually made crazy figures on this platform also. Now this is Clinton right here. This is a withdrawal of 250,000 that he made on Glamour. This is Vicky right here. He actually sent me this screenshot. This is a screenshot of him crossing the threshold of 400,000 on Glamour. This is a withdrawal of 167,000 on Glamour. So basically, I don't just earn alone, I actually carry my people along. Now moving on, the name of this website is glamourofficial.com.ng. So all you have to do is to go into your browser and browse glamourofficial.com.ng, and you'll be able to get access to this website. Like I said, visit glamour.com.ng to get registered and start earning on Glamour. Now, here are a few reasons why this particular business is one of the easiest to join in 2026. Now, firstly, you are not selling anything to anybody. You don't need an office to get registered. It is a long-term platform. You start from your comfort of your home, which means you can earn from anywhere remotely from the comfort of your home. You don't need to show your face on social media or anything like that, and you already have what you need to get started, which is your smartphone and the mindset to take action immediately. And if you watch this video from the beginning to the end, you'll be getting a 3-step formula which me and my students have been using to cash out massively on this particular update. So make sure you stick to the end of the video. Now moving on. Now this is how Glamour works. Basically, as a signed up user on Glamour, you get listed and you're connected with European firms that need your services. They offer you remote jobs, which in turn pay you €5 per hour for performing these particular jobs. Now these jobs are easy that anyone can perform it with just their smartphone. Now a few of these jobs are posting on your status. Now on Glamour, you can actually post on your WhatsApp status right here. Like I said, you can actually post on your WhatsApp status and earn money from doing it. Now this is how it works. In the same way you save contacts that view your status, as a registered member on Glamour, you get connected with European firms that offer you contents to actually post on your status. Now once you post those contents on your status, you get €3 per hour that particular content stays on your status. So basically, you're earning €3 per hour you post on your status. So that's very massive. Imagine posting over 2, 3, 4 contents per day on just your WhatsApp status, and you get paid for doing just that. That's very massive. Now here are some results from some of my students who are making crazy amount of money from actually posting on their status and also performing jobs and active user activities on Glamour. Now this is John right here. This is a withdrawal of over 89,000, and this is Delight right here. She sent a screenshot of over 3 million on her account on Glamour. So as you can see, my students are making crazy amount of money on this particular platform. Now this is a quick breakdown of how you can actually earn on Glamour. Now you basically earn 2 hours per hour depending on the job that you perform. Now there are several jobs that you can perform which are easy. They have the Glam lifestyle, they have the Glam script. Now this particular Glam script involves you using AI to write scripts and pasting it on the platform, and you get paid for it. Now these are all the jobs that you can actually perform on Glamour website and get paid for it. Very simple activities that you can perform with just your phone and you get paid for it. Now to get access to this platform, it will cost you 14,000 naira to get registered. Immediately after registration, you get full access to the platform, all the jobs, and get paid €2 per hour for performing activities on this website. Basically, you are earning minimum of $12 every single day for performing every single activity on this particular website, and each euro is equivalent to 2,000 naira. So which means you are earning basically 24,000 naira every single day minimum for just performing simple jobs. And that's very massive, which means you can make more than that in a single day for just performing simple jobs. Now that's very massive. Let's move on. Now let me ask you a question. Do you want me to give you a step-by-step guide? I've helped over 536 of my students to make crazy amount of money on Glamour. Do you want me to give you that same step-by-step guide that have helped over 500 of my students to make over 1 million naira on Glamour? If you need access to that particular step-by-step guide, comment access in the comment section and I'll send you the full guide in the comment section. Make sure you comment so that you get access to it. Now let's move on. If you need access to this full guide, here's what you have to do. Now, to get access to this simplified guide and also access to my support group where you actually be getting access to premium information and knowledge on how you can earn actually withdraw your earnings on Glamour. Now, I have prepared a well-detailed step-by-step guide plus support group where I will properly guide you exactly how I was able to make over 5 million naira on Glamour. To get access to this simplified guide and my support group, all you have to do is to make your one-time payment of 14,000 naira to get registered. Immediately after you making your one-time payment of 14,000 naira to get registered, you get access to the blueprint, which is worth over 15,000 naira, but you'll be getting it for free. You'll be getting access to my secret guide, which is worth over 20,000 naira, but you'll be getting it for free immediately after the registration. You'll also be getting access to my support group, which is worth over 17,000 naira, but as well you'll be getting all that for free. So immediately after making a one-time payment of 14,000 naira, you'll be getting access to every single thing I've listed here for free. Now here are some results for my students. This is IJ, and look at what she said. She said, "Chai, I wish I have taken this business seriously earlier, but thank God I wasn't too late. Another 312,000 naira on the same business that you call a scam." So this particular business model actually paid my students over 312,000 naira for just performing jobs with her smartphone. Now here are some other results. Now, how to get registered? All you have to do is to click on the link down in the description right now. Right there, they have the registration link which will take you to the official website where you can actually get registered directly with the merchant over there, or you actually click my Telegram DM link so that you can get a discount of 13,000 naira. So if you click my Telegram DM link and you send discount to my DM, you'll be getting a discount of 13,000 naira instead of 14,000 naira. And this is a gift from me to you for making it to this particular part of the video. So all you have to do is to click on the link down in the description, send a message to me on my Telegram and send discount, and I'll grant you a discount of 13,000 naira to get registered on Glamour. Now at this point you have two options: do nothing and keep waiting for your helper and hope that your financial situations will change, which obviously won't change because you guys already know how the country is. You have to actually take charge of your finances to make sure that you progress. And second option is to take action right now and watch as your financial situation changes in a shocking way in less than a month. Now, like I said, the discount available to you right now for making it to the end of the video is 13,000 naira. So all you have to do is to message me with discounts on my Telegram and I'll grant you access to it. You can as well click on the registration link down in the description and also register, or copy the link on your screen right now and also register on the official website. That will be all for the video and I'll see you guys in the next one.